Back in the days, Mr. Jacques was challenging the machinists on small competition, who's gonna hand the jacket the first. As far as I know, he always won that competition. But it's really, there is a real proudness of what they do, and they really love to do it. It's not only manufacturing fashion things, it has to be technical, comfortable, but protective. That's something noble for us. Furygan is the leading company in terms of manufacturing protective garments for motorcyclists in France, and our second biggest market is England. The factory has always been in Nîmes, and you can see on some of our products that it's a proudness being here and having done all what we've done locally. So indeed, it's a family culture. That's a family-owned business, and also that's more an art. You need to be there for a long time, so you become skilled. So yeah, we have people that are here since 42 years, 30 years, 20 years, but we have also some young blood coming because of course, all that skill cannot be learned in school, so they have to take the apprentice path. Making a leather garment is really something that is not simple. Also, it has a consequence on the safety of the people that are buying it. So in France, we're constructing the custom race suits and the prototypes. And before you can manufacture yourself the custom race suit, you have to go through a certain number of years of after sale where you receive the garments that have a problem or people that are crashed with and they want to get it repaired. So you unstitch, you change, you repair, and so you really learn the way it is built. Our knowledge is probably what we have that is the more precious. That's part of our culture. We are not salesmen, we are manufacturers. We are sourcing our leather in South America, and all this leather that is grey and all the same is sent to Italian tanneries. Then we receive all the skins in France and we make marks with chokes on the leather to help the cutting process. The cutting process is split into two parts. One part is made by a machine that is called a Taurus. It's an automatic machine. And another part is still made manually for the small parts, the small pieces, everything that is very technical and very narrow that the machine cannot do itself. After that, everything is gathered and sent to our Tunisian factory where the stitching work is made. When we receive it back from Tunisia, the stitching work has been made, and then we process to a quality check where we check all the zippers, there is no thread left, no holes, everything has to be perfect. That's the minimum quality standard, perfect. And when this is done, we fit the protectors, D-Trio protectors inside, the labels, and it goes to stock. This is also where we do the testing, so abrasion testing, tearing resistancy, cutting resistancy, and stitching resistancy in order to go through the different steps of the CE approval process. We have invested a lot of money, and we're still investing a lot of money into CE standards. And investing in that is investing for everybody, from the cheapest garment to the most expensive. That's very important that everybody that wants to ride a motorcycle can get a good kit, good performing kit to ride with the safer conditions possible. Do you know how much leather we use a year? 100,000 square meter. That's a whole lot of football fields, you know.
It's a lot of cows.
That's a lot of cows, but you have to consider that a cow leather is 1 centimeter thick. So we use between 1 millimeter and 1.4 millimeter. So the cows, one skin is used by a lot of industry. It's not alpha cow to make a jacket, it's alpha cow to make a jacket and probably a couch that you could sit in with your jacket.